So the new RML short wheelbase, have you seen it? It just came out today. Do you think it's a kit car? Does it qualify as a real sports car? It's very difficult because in the Ferrari world it's very frowned upon to have anything but stock to be a true Ferrari sports car. So is the RML short wheelbase, is it trying to knock off a Ferrari? Remember the days when he used to see the Miami Vice Ferrari 365 Daytona Spider? That was obviously a kit car from the TV show. And you'd see those kit cars driving around every once in a while, and if you knew, you knew the difference between a true Daytona Spider and these kit cars that basically built on a Corvette chassis with a Corvette motor. You could tell the difference. Same thing for the whole Pontiac Fiero Ferraro kit car that was made to look like a Ferrari 308. People on the street that didn't know anything about these cars, you'd see one, oh look, a Ferrari. But people that knew the cars knew that it was obviously just a kit car. So what about this RML? Does this qualify? Is this in the same realm as those knockoff cars? Because people looking at this car drive down the road, if they didn't know, they would say, oh look, a 250 SWB Ferrari. But people who know what a SWB or a 250 SWB look like would be able to pick it out immediately that it wasn't a real car. So what do you think about this car? It's completely built scratch from the ground up. Has a V12 engine, albeit a bigger V12 engine than the original 250 SWB. I think this is like a 4-liter V12. Much faster, 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. It's blazingly faster than the original 250 SWB. Modern conveniences. They had to make it a little bit larger than the original SWB just so they can fit modern ergonomics for taller drivers, and it has GPS, cup holders, more conveniences that we're used to. So is this something that's going to be frowned upon in the Ferrari community of sports car owners like those other cars were, the Ferraro and the Daytona Spider? I don't think so. I think in a time period where we have resto mods, where they take original muscle car chassis or bodies and they put them on modern underpinnings to give them a more modern feel to them. Singer Porsches, where they'll take an older Porsche, 964 bodied style Porsche, and then modernize it, carbon fiber, lightened, all upgraded. I think the appreciation for what a sports car is to a sports car aficionado or someone who appreciates sports cars is going to take this RML short wheelbase for what it is. It's an appreciation sports car for those original 250 SWBs that are so rare that to find one under $10 million, I think these days is utterly impossible if you even see one for sale. So it'll be interesting to see when this car comes out, how it drives, how it feels. I'm sure it's going to drive much better than an original Ferrari without having to worry about losing the value or risking a 10, 15 million plus dollar car driving around, where you have a car that I believe they say is going to be in the $500,000 range depending on how you outfit it. I think it's going to be taken very well these days in the sports car community. What do you think? Do you think this RML short wheelbase car is going to be one that's given a thumbs up, or people are going to snicker? The people that really know, they're going to snicker as they drive by and see this car. Let me know in the comments what you think, and let's get the conversation going.